ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ RL സർക്യൂട്ട് വിത്ത് ഇനിഷ്യൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ നോക്കാം. RL സർക്യൂട്ട് വിത്ത് ഇനിഷ്യൽ കണ്ടീഷൻ. That is, I of 0 is not equal to 0. I of 0 will be given. So consider an RL circuit. It is applied to a source V. This is V, this is switch S. At t equal to 0, the switch is closed. Okay. I of t is the current at t greater than 0. So we have to find the solution I of t greater than 0 if the inductor was carrying an initial current I of 0. Inductor was previously carrying a current I of 0. So I of 0 minus is equal to I of 0. For an inductor, what is the theory? I of 0. Current at t equal to 0 minus will be the same as time is current at time t equal to 0 and 0 plus. Okay. So we'll just write the just for the proof we will write the differential equation. V is equal to I into R plus L into di by dt. So that is V of S is equal to I of S into R plus L into d by dt. Di by dt, what is the Laplace transform? S I of S minus I of 0. That is the Laplace transform of di by dt. In general, Laplace of dx by dt is S x of s minus x of 0. Now collecting I of s terms together, I of s into R plus Ls minus Li of 0. So that is equal to V of s. We can bring all the term together. V of s minus I of s into R plus Ls minus or plus Li of 0 equal to 0. So this is nothing but the KVL equation of the S domain circuit. So this is voltage, this is another voltage, this is also voltage. So Li0, what is that indicate? It is the voltage of the inductor. That is the voltage of the inductor due to I0. The inductor was previously carrying a current I0. So when it is changed from one position to another state, one state to another state, inductor will be acting as a source, voltage source Li0 in the new condition. If I0 is the initial current in the inductor, you have to include a voltage source Li0. Okay. Now how to include Li0 in the circuit? That we will see. So we'll once again write the equation. V of s is equal to I of s into V of s, or we'll write everything together. So V of s minus I of s into R plus Ls plus Li0 equal to 0. This KVL equation we will draw. For this KVL equation we will draw the circuit. So this is V of s and I of s, we are putting the direction like this clockwise. So R plus Ls, R and Ls. So current is entering here, leaving here, entering here, leaving here. So V of s minus R plus Ls into I of s has come there. Then plus Li0. So it should be like this. Plus Li0. So that is a voltage source and its polarity should be like this. Plus Li0. As per the equation, Li0 should be placed like this. So what is the polarity of Li0? The polarity of Li0 is such that it will drive the current in the same direction as that of I0. How I0 was flowing, in the same direction Li0 will tend to drive a current. The voltage source Li0 will drive a current in the same direction as that of I0. ഇനിഷ്യൽ കറണ്ട് എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നോ അതേ ഡയറക്ഷനിൽ തന്നെ ഒരു കറണ്ട് സെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിൽ ഒരു സോഴ്സായിട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യും Li0. ബിക്കോസ് ഇൻഡക്ടർ നെവർ വാണ്ട്സ് ടു ചേഞ്ച് ഇറ്റ്സ് കറണ്ട്. സോ അതാണ് എൻ്റെ. സോ നമ്മളിനി ഇൻഡക്ടറിൽ ഇനിഷ്യലി ചാർജഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ കേസിലും എസ് ഡൊമൈൻ സർക്യൂട്ട് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇമ്മീഡിയറ്റ്ലി എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ആ ഇൻഡക്ടറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ സീരീസിൽ LI0 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ വോൾട്ടേജ് സോഴ്സ് പ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യണം. അതാണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ച കൺസെപ്റ്റ്. സോ V of S, then R, LS, everything is there. Along with L, you have to include the voltage source LI0, where I0 was the initial current in the inductor. Okay, now we will apply this to a problem. So we'll do a new problem. Okay. Okay, find the current I of t in the circuit. So suppose this is 10 volt. Through a switch you are applying R, L. R is 4 ohm, L is 2 Henry. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. I of 0 is given. I of 0 is equal to 1 ampere given. So you have to find I of t. That means for t greater than 0, find the current. When the switch is closed, find the current. So before the switch was open and it was in some other condition. The circuit was not open because it is given that inductor was carrying a current of 1 ampere. So the inductor might be connected to some other source. So the initial current through the inductor is 1 ampere. But now at t equal to 0, it is connected to the 10 volt source. We have to find the new current. That is current at t greater than 0. So we will draw the S-domain circuit. S-domain circuit. As explained, we will replace 10 by, what is the Laplace of V is equal to 10. So this should be 10 by S. R should be replaced by R, that is 4. L should be replaced by LS. Along with that, since L was carrying a current I0 here, what should we add along with the L? We should include LI0. What is the value of LI0? 2 into I0 is 1. So 2 volt. So you should add a 2 volt like this. So this is plus minus, this is plus minus, plus minus, minus plus. Okay. Now we have to write the KVL equation. Write the KVL equation. What will we get? 10 by S. 10 by S minus I of S into 4 plus 2S plus 2 equal to 0. So that is the KVL equation. Okay. So 10 by S plus 2 is equal to I of S into 4 plus 2S. I of S is equal to 10 by S into 4 plus 2S plus 2 by 4 plus 2S. So making the coefficient of S unity, will get as 5 by S into S plus 2 plus 1 by S plus 2. The first thing, first factor you have to, or the first term you have to make into partial fraction because the denominator is a product. So A by S plus B by S plus 2 plus 1 by S plus 2. Now it is easy to find the time domain current. I of t is equal to A by S. What is the inverse? A. B by S plus 2. What is the inverse? B e raised to minus 2t plus 1 e raised to minus 2t. So this is the solution for the current of the circuit given when it was carrying an initial current of 1 ampere.